Welcome to my YouTube channel once more. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make the popular Nigerian snack called buns, okay? And I have in the description below the accurate measurements you'll be needing for this recipe. So for me, I tripled mine because I'm making a larger quantity, okay? So ensure you measure accurately using a scale, and then where you have to use your teaspoons, ensure you do so as well. All right, so gradually adding some water into your already measured ingredients gradually, okay? And as you add the water, keep mixing, keep combining until everything comes together. Now it doesn't have to be hard and it shouldn't be overly soft, meaning you added so much water, else you're going to end up adding more flour and that would injure the recipe, okay, if that's correct. So now I measure my dough because I want everything having same size. I don't want some bigger than the other. So if you have a measuring scale at home, try ensuring you measure to have equal measurements and sizes, okay? So when I'm done measuring, I put some flour on my palm and I begin to fold in the dough, fold them in, and then pinch the end, tap it down, and then roll until it's closed up. Now you don't want your buns frying in hot oil and it's opening out. All right, so just fold it in gradually, as you can see in the video. Pinch it, tap it down, and then roll your dough on your palm until it's round like a tennis ball. So do this for every single one of the dough that has been measured out, and then make sure your oil is getting heated up on a very low heat, like the lowest of temperature on your burner. All right, now start frying. Ensure it cooks gradually inside because you don't want your buns cooked outside and not cooked inside. All right, so now this is what we're going to have. Beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.